Hi guys, and thank you guys for joining me in today's video. We are gonna get ready and festive and get into the holiday spirit. I'm so excited because we're finally in December. It's bittersweet just because I'm like, it's almost gonna be gone. I know we just started December. I'm just being dramatic. That's who I am. Don't mind me. But today we're gonna continue with the decorating. I have started my Christmas series since November. If you guys haven't checked out those videos, I already decorated my bedroom. I decorated my Christmas tree, of course, and the fireplace, and then I also did a Christmas hot cocoa bar, and I also decorated my kitchen and wine cooler. But for today, I want to decorate my bookshelf. I wanted to give it a traditional nostalgic look, just very Christmassy. And then in the entryway, I'm also going to be decorating. It's going to be more on the simple look in the entryway, but I really want to just finish with all this decorating because I just want to relax already with no more decorating, watch more Christmas movies, enjoy the holidays. I'm currently wearing my shirt that says eating cookies and watching Christmas movie. This one is so cute. And then after the decorating, we're gonna see where the day takes us. But for now, let me show you guys what I'm gonna be working with. I have some few items right here on my coffee table, but then I also have things right here that I would love to use. These candlesticks, I would love to use this house. These are so gorgeous. They're my favorite, and these are from Kirkland. I still have my pumpkin here. I don't know, I feel bad. What should I do with this, guys? I have these stamps that I want to add to a vase and add it on the bookshelf. I also want to be adding ornaments to these glasses right here. I think that will be so pretty. This way to add a candle, and you're gonna see some wrapping paper. My thing is, hold on guys, hold on. My thing is that I really want to add a wallpaper right here. I'm thinking of adding the wrapping paper there first and see if I even like it. And I also want to add ribbons, of course. I'm going to be adding ribbons and bows. I don't know if I should go with this one. This one is very nice, but I just feel like, nah. I want to go with something green. I want it to feel like Christmas. So I think I'm going to go with this fawn one right here. It looks very nostalgic. That's enough talking. I'm going to get started with the decorating. Okay, so this is how my bookshelf came out, and I think it's perfect. Every corner in this house is being decorated and I love it. Okay, first things first, I just wanted something simple on top that doesn't grab too much attention, which that's fine. I have to just fix the greenery because they're kind of funky looking. But right here, I think this one has to be my favorite shelf right here. I love those hurricane glasses with the ornaments inside. Very classic and beautiful. Then I have some drapey ribbon going down, which I think it's a beautiful touch as well. And then we have a nostalgic little area right here with some books, and then we have the Grinch. Just love the colors. And then I have a candle glowing, which makes it very cozy. I love the back wallpaper, which is the gift wrapping paper. And I decided to add one of the books that I got from the Target dollar spot. I wanted to add knickknacks. I just wanted to look nostalgic. I mean, it's random stuff, but I think it's cute. I like the bells, a ribbon, the cute little gingerbread, a little tree, the little mugs. And then down here, I just have my candle warmer. And then down below, I added another wrapping paper. And then I added another wrapping paper inside this frame, which is so cute. And then my little Santa workshop house. And I have to get some batteries because I don't have any batteries, so I can't light it up right now, but I think it's super cute. And all I need right now is to decorate this little section. Like I said, I am gonna do it a little bit on the simple way, use traditional colors. So let's start decorating this section. Okay, so this is how my entryway is looking. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna add nothing in the middle. And then in the bottom, I just have a bowl full of ornaments. Let me get a closer look so you guys could see. And that's pretty much it with the decorating. I think it came out very nice, very nostalgic, simple, but classic. Alright guys, so I'm gonna unwind a little bit and I want to get my nails done. You guys know I love getting my nails done. This part of the video, I'm gonna be collabing with BT Art Box. They are a press-on nail company, and you guys know I'm super obsessed with press-on nails, especially me not loving to go to the nail salon. I prefer just doing my press-on nails here at home. Now they have these Christmas boxes which are very lovely. They have different variety ones and bundle deals. But let me tell you, they have the cutest packaging, and it comes with their oil, their cuticle oil, and then even a nail grow serum, which comes in handy because believe me, my nails are not the best. What I like about the bundle deal, you could actually pick the ones you want, and these are the ones that I went with. I got this cute gingerbread one. This was very nice, cozy, and festive. I also got this bright holiday red color. I got this beautiful, pretty, and pink one, and it's all shimmery with some silver tips. And if you use the code CHAPA10, you're gonna get 10% off. Now, thank you once again, BT Art Box, for collabing with me in this video. myself a chamomile tea and I'm almost done with it. I don't know if you guys could see. It's like less than half. It's so good. I love tea. I'm a tea lover. And I'm currently watching my movie, which is The Grinch. This is my second time watching it so far for this year. And it's so cozy and cute. I love the Grinch movies, all three. If you haven't seen my recent video, I did a Christmas favorites where I mentioned like the Christmas music I like, Christmas songs, certain Christmas songs, and Christmas movies. I also showed things to do, ideas. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. I'll have it linked in the description box. I'm also gonna have all the details for BT Art Box in the description box with the discount code, which is CHAPA10. Check out their Instagram, their website. They're so extra with these nails. They are freaking cute. I don't know if you guys could see the gingerbread. And there's another one right here. I'm just gonna be sipping on this and finishing watching my movie. But that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. With all that said, have a cozy day, guys. Oh look, lady popped out.